A frigid Saturday night in downtown Montreal is the backdrop for two teams looking to heat up fast. We got the Colorado Avalanche at the Bell Center to take on the Canadiens on Hockey Night in Canada. Up to center ice, and they're on the move. Cutting in is Soderberg on his backhand. Carl Soderberg is met by Weber and knocked off that puck. Barry with a shot, bounces in there on Price, loose, and it's batted aside as that thing would not sit down.
He had Soderberg all lined up, and Soderberg saw him at the last second, and then to the net it comes, and Soderberg, I'm not sure if he tipped that, but at the end of the day, that thing was a bouncing rubber puck that almost found its way in between the glove and the arm of Carey Price.
Tatar trying to skate away from the check of J.T. Compher. There's a shot in on Varlamov, and he makes his first tricky stop of the night. Alexander Kerfoot in for the Av, drops it off to Jost. Jost and shoots. Glove save, Price.
With a guy like Kerfoot, you're not going anywhere. Armia's going the wrong way. Come across, play the body, have him in your sights. This ends up having Jost walk right down Main Street, and not for a great save by Carey Price. They'd have been down 1-0. Good job on the drop pass, driving to the net.
Weber puts a backhand pass across. There's a shot blocked off the stick of Armia, and it caroms out to center ice. And now here's a turnover. Soderberg trying to get in there, and a weak shot handled by Price after the turnover of the blue line. Amongst the division leaders in the Central, but they have hit a skid. Here's Armia now stepping in, drops it off to Domi, back in front, and it's tapped wide by Armia.
Well, Armia turns it over, get it to the disher Domi, and then drive to the net. He gets a stick on it, and when Weber tees it up, boy, it is extremely hard to stop. It's hard to see.
Max Domi centers the puck. Here's a chance, and it's Tatar in front, and somehow that stays out. There was bodies all around.
Two offensive scoring chances, and Domi's been in the middle of most of them. Nice little feed to Gallagher over to Tatar, and then Domi drives to the net.
Quickly backside to Kotkaniemi. Again, trying to backhand feed, banks it back to Petrie. Looks, one-timer tipped to the way by. Puck is loose, down low for Domi. Now he's in behind the net. Domi, saucer pass, Tatar shoots, and it goes wide.
And then Domi again, and Gallagher down low as they battle around on the power play, try to get the puck out in front, and at the end of the day, Gallagher can't get inside on Cole. They come at you in every zone.
Armia to Lehkonen. Skate to his stick, back to the middle. Armia with a good release on his off wing, and a nice save by Varlamov. Armia backs up, another shot that goes just wide. Yoel Armia is buzzing tonight. Rantanen working against Mete, steps away from him, and then banks it up the boards. There's Gallagher, supported on the backside by Weber. Rink wide pass, Drouin drops it off, quick shot, save Varlamov. He picks it up. Thomas Tatar, back to Kotkaniemi. Kotkaniemi trying to dance in, gets it back, winds out, sets it up, and that one-timer goes just wide off of the stick of Kulak. This time he banks it back to Armia, try to feed a pass in front, hit the skate of Gerard. Kerfoot back the other way, he's got Wilson with him, near side, Wilson and shoots, and Price makes the stop on Colin Wilson.
And you don't lay it there, you drop it back, and you start the rush going the other way, and Wilson, I think, does the right thing.
And Chaput puts it in. Semyon Varlamov leads it for Graves. Graves pressured. Here's Ben in front. Shot from Agostino. Rebound. Can't find it. And the centering attempt doesn't get there.
Yost is on the wall. Takes the beating eventually, but Kerfoot doesn't follow the puck. And that allows this turnover to happen. And what an opportunity for Chaput.
He gets it back again. Johnson. Soderberg. His shot goes wide. Glove side. Johnson again leads into one. That reaches the net. Price to stop. As the Avs are making a push right here. Here's another turnover. Long shot. And a save by Price. Weber backs up. Here comes McKinnon again. McKinnon defended by Weber all the way around the edge, but they've still got the puck back to the line. Barry's try. Price the save. Rebound into the corner.
Because you got to box out before they get to the front. Once they're there, now you're a body in front of a body trying to get them out of the way. But if you can get them before, it makes a big difference.
Back to Kulak. His shot. Bouncing around. Puck is loose. Centered. And where is it? Danault trying to find a drive with a shot. Stopped by Varlamov. Petrie got just enough of him. Puck goes into the corner. Sent all the way around the boards. Trapped by the Avs. Jost down low and in front of Kerfoot. Kick saved by Price. In tight. Good stop. Price with 302 wins in his back pocket. calming things down. Byron steps in, snaps a shot that goes wide of the goal. Chip back out by Colorado. JT Compher now for the Avs. Trying to go wide on Petrie. Out in front and rolls off the shoulder of Price.
As the Avalanche enter the zone, and this thing's going to come towards the net just as I think a puck that you just kind of, like a soccer center. Center it into the net. Let's get some bodies there.
Knocked aside by Varlamov. Back to the middle of the ice. Off the stick of Soderberg. Barberio springs the man. Calvert right up the middle. Shoots, and Price got enough with a glove on Matt Calvert. It was wide open.
Then you avoid having to take that penalty.
Good start for this penalty kill. Here's a chance to know. He drops it back and looking and hits the post short-handed.
Marvelous job down low, pushing the puck. Him and Lehkonen make a one-on-one situation with McKinnon, and Dano steals it. Lehkonen circles back to support. His line mate does a nice job, and once again, as Armia almost in the same exact spot, Armia hit the post.
There's two short-handed goals all season for the Canadiens. They come close there. Kulak scores! Brett Kulak! Short-handed goal, 1-0.
But they're over 60% in this game, and this puck gets won back to Kulak. And this is not a hard shot. This is a guy who's just trying to get the puck to the net and then get ready for your defensive posture on the penalty kill. And it comes through a couple of sets of legs. And there's Weber with a grin. He doesn't pick it up. Harlamov does not pick it up. It's a cleanly lost draw. And right there through Soderberg's legs, it finds the corner of the net.
Right onto the tape of Landeskog. That group is very tired, and they're trying to get a change in, but here comes Montreal. Dropping it back. Drouin curls back. Dancing around. Woodward scores! One-timer buried! Jesperi Kotkaniemi.
And Landeskog goes to get rid of this puck, and he doesn't get it far enough down. Only 2/3 of the line can change, but they're going off so slow, everyone coming on is a bit out of sorts, and then it's a seam play to Kotkaniemi, and it's right in his wheelhouse from Drouin. You couldn't have put it in a sweeter spot. Those are big, heavy teams, and then you come into Montreal.
Sent in there, puck is loose, Price is down. Penalty call coming up here right in front of the Montreal net.
This is no easy job to get done as the front of the net gets a little busy.
All right, last chance here for the Avalanche. Face-off one, they've done a great job. Empty net, bang! And it goes, and that should do it. How about the night for Jordie Benn? Montreal gonna steer this one home here. 43rd career shutout for Carey Price, his third this season. 3-0. Montreal over Colorado. Final. Boston is next.